From the top, I know na maka-watch ak sa CCTV footage sa V380 Pro na diak nakatuway ng pagtuwag pad 11:15 PM. Ito sa video kimawaton na longest time of the year. There you go. So when did they start the video kimawaton na ikakulo? 3:30 PM. And then patuway ang makatuwag pag alas 10 diak nakatuway. Why? Video came out on that is so loud that I cannot sleep. Punta, I will move from here to Japan. Why? Because all those anime stuff is mine. Not a video came out on that I just sent here from the Philippines. I mean to, because I'm from the Philippines. Home of the video came out on. And yes, I played MPhil yesterday before the longest video came out on Wally. I did do some random stuff. But the video came out and except that saying want to change my life for good. And yes, you know how many times did I say video came out on? A lot, because if I say a lot of times saying the word video came out on, chance JB was summoned and then his ultimate summoning skill mamatay ko that diretso. I mean, look, today is so good. We have the Loud House, 1 hour. We have the video came out on longest time of the month or the year. So please, JB, if you're watching this, as you are singing Hunter, I will kill you. Yes, alas 11:30 nag-end sa video came out on. Since nakatuwa na pagtuwag sa kumama na Lagi, congrats, JB the singing Hunter. Yan na, nakatuwa na panto naman sana na video kumato.